Allison Resendiz, Chief Content Officer with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the NAFEM Show 2025. Nicole, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Nicole O'Rourke, Marketing Manager and New Product Development Manager for American Range.
Could you tell us a little bit about American Range's new countertop line?
Yes, so we're excited to be here at the NAFEM Show today showing off our new countertop line. We have 3 categories: hot plates, griddles, and char-broilers. We're showing some new features on the countertop line. Condiment rails, common plate shelf so we can combine 2 pieces together, great front of the house appeal. All of these make the kitchen a little more functional, make the chef's job a little bit easier. And then all of our countertop lines up to our AR Restaurant Series ranges. We inset the legs so they can all sit on top of a Marine Edge refrigerated base. On our griddles, we've put a high capacity grease pan in here. So high production cooking makes it easy to clean, keeps everything clean and sanitary. Our char-broilers, we redesigned, added 2-position cooking, 2-sided grates for easy markings, and then also we have high quality cast iron radiance for great heat distribution. So as far as configurations, we offer the hot plates in either single depth or double depth, 2 burners all the way up to 8 burners, and then griddles 24 inches to 72 inches. We offer both manual and thermostatically controlled griddles, and then char-broilers 24 inches all the way up to 72 inches.
Okay, so lots of choices.
Lots of choices. You can mix and match them all. The common plate shelf will go from 24 inches up to 72 inches. So you can choose to do a 2-burner, 12-inch with a 12-inch griddle and put those together for 24 inches, or 2 36 inches, a char-broiler and a griddle, and put those together, or a combination of whatever.
Okay, so there are so many range manufacturers on the market. I'm curious, could you tell me a little bit about what sets American Range products apart from other companies?
So our goal is to make high quality cooking equipment at an affordable price. We want to be easy to do business with, and we ought to be there to support you. Restaurant business is hard, so we want to support the dealers, the end users, all the way through the sales process and also after, and we're there for you.
Awesome. Well, Nicole, thank you so much for telling us about the new countertop line.
Thanks for stopping by.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This is Allison Resendiz with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the NAFEM Show 2025.